Chapter 2 Birds that represent countries. Nepal. Himalayan monal. The Himalayan monal, also known as the danf, is the national bird of Nepal. It is a beautifully colored pheasant found in the Himalayan region, where it thrives in high-altitude forests. Its vibrant plumage and graceful movements make it a symbol of beauty and strength in Nepali culture. Japan. Green pheasant. The green pheasant, Japan's national bird, is known for its striking green feathers and long tail. It is native to Japan and can be found in forests, farmlands, and grasslands. This bird is deeply connected to Japanese folklore and often appears in traditional art and stories. Croatia. Nightingale. The nightingale, Croatia's national bird, is famous for its melodious and powerful singing. Found in forests and gardens, it sings most beautifully at night, enchanting listeners. This bird symbolizes love, poetry, and inspiration in Croatian culture and literature. Israel. Hoopoe. The hoopoe, Israel's national bird, is recognized for its distinctive crown-like crest and unique call. It has striking orange and black plumage with bold white markings on its wings. The bird is mentioned in ancient texts and is admired for its beauty and intelligence. China. Red-crowned crane. The red-crowned crane, China's national bird, is a symbol of longevity, wisdom, and happiness. It is known for its elegant white feathers with a distinctive red patch on its head. Often featured in Chinese art and mythology, this bird represents peace and good fortune. France. Gallic rooster. The Gallic rooster is the national bird of France and symbolizes courage and resilience. It is often associated with French history and appears on emblems and monuments. This bird has become an enduring symbol of national pride, especially in sports and politics. Germany. White stork. The white stork, Germany's national bird, is known for its long legs, elegant flight, and striking black and white plumage. It is believed to bring good luck and is often seen nesting on rooftops in German villages. The bird plays an important role in folklore, symbolizing birth and renewal. Egypt. Golden eagle. The golden eagle, Egypt's national bird, is a powerful predator known for its sharp eyesight and hunting skills. It symbolizes strength, power, and freedom and has been associated with ancient Egyptian mythology. This majestic bird often appears on Egyptian emblems and national symbols. Australia. Emu. The emu, Australia's national bird, is the second largest bird in the world and cannot fly. It is a fast runner, using its strong legs to travel long distances across the Australian outback. The emu holds cultural significance for Aboriginal Australians and appears on the country's coat of arms.